This is amazing. Today, on the 19th of June 2023, we have Poikkikatu 3 stickers. See?
Yeah.
We have the stickers B here, and then we also need the stickers A, but also D, E, and F here.
Yeah.
It was built in 1972, probably at the beginning of 1972, to 50 years old in 2022, and its number is H28576, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2024. The weight is 4 pounds a day and 20 grams. It's here in Kiveria, Lahti, Finland, and it has 2 rides as well. I like the sounds as well.
Same.
Amazing broken noses.
Yeah. Expected by Kiva, maintained by Kone.
You can hear the sounds especially well when you're going down.
Yeah.
When going down, it's heard well. Amazing.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this all the way to as much as we did.
That's